Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to implement a local notification with some action buttons. We already implemented the local notification for the time interval for every 5 seconds. After 5 seconds we can be trigger a notification. Now I am takeovering the project and implementing the action buttons. When we click the when we tap the action button, we can be get the notification receive actions what we need. We can be handled there. Before we dive into our tutorial, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Now I am going to implement the action buttons. Now we have to change the subtitle for the this is an action button notification, and we have to create the notification action, so that now I am setting the setting the replay action. It's nothing but a UN notification action. Here we have to set some identifier to identify which action was tapping by user, so that I am setting the identifier as a replay underscore action, and the title as nothing but the button title. So I am setting the replay, and the action option is nothing but we can be set it as a raw value of 0, as well as we have to create the notification category to handle the or to show the this notification action on the particular category of notification. So I am creating the action category here, UN action, UN notification category. Inside of that we have to pass the identifier for the notification category is nothing but the replay category, and the actions are nothing but we can pass the only one action we already implemented. So I am passing the array of action, that's nothing but array of replay action, as intent is nothing but 0, like a empty array. The hidden option is no need, and we have to set the UN notification category option is nothing but custom dismiss action. So when the user tap on the replay button, that is action will be, the notification will be automatically dismissed. Likewise, we created the action and the category. Now we have to register this category to our user notification center. So user notification center dot current dot set notification category is nothing but here we are setting the action category. Likewise, we have registered the notification category to our notification center. At the same time, we have to set the category for our notification content, so that content dot category identifier is nothing but the replay category, so that only this particular category have to show the action button as a replay button on the notification. So I am setting the notification category like that's enough. In the implementation we have to implement when the user tap on the notification, we can be get the values. Likewise, we can be, before that we can run the project and check what's going on right now. Now app goes background, the notification was registered. Sorry, I think something was happened. We don't need a false. App goes background, the notification was registered successfully. Now the notification was triggered. When I swipe the notification, we are getting the replay button. It is nothing but we implemented here based on the content category the content category has some notification action, so that this replay button was showing here. When we tap the notification, we get only the notification content itself, as well as when we tap the notification action, that's nothing but a replay action, we have to get the value for the user which button we can be was tapped. So we have to handle that notification action handling. So I am going to the user notification did receive response, and I am commenting the response as well as, and creating the switch case. Here I am retrieving the response dot action identifier. Here we have to mention the which action identifier was tapped. So right now we are having the only one action, so I am setting the replay action itself and printing the log replay action button was tapped on notification. Likewise I created for the tutorial purpose. Default case is a break, no need to implement anything. Now I am running the project again. Here we can get the notification action when the user tap the replay button. The console will be print the user tapped the replay action button was tapped on the notification. If suppose the new user didn't tap the user replay button, means we didn't receive the this log, because of the condition will not happen successfully. So that only. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.